Hello! Let's practice articles in just a minute.
A and an are used for singular nouns. They help us talk about one thing in general sense. Let's discover how to use them. We use these articles to name something, to describe someone's job, or to show how often something happens. Here are some examples when using the article a. A book is on the table. She is a teacher. She teaches English twice a week. Just remember to use a before words that start with a consonant sound. A cat or a book. Here are the examples of article an in a sentence. An apple is on the table. An artist paints lovely pictures. He practices drawing an hour each day. Remember, an is used before words that start with a vowel sound. An apple, an hour. Let's practice. I saw a dog in the street. We have math lessons twice a week. She ate an apple for breakfast. She is an honest girl. He is a teacher. Great job! See you next time.